Friends, this is Krish, the Urban Naxal. Friends, I am going to say something out loud and clear, very short, very sweet. Stay clear of Lodha, codename one and only. Don't touch Lodha, codename one and only with a barge pole. It is a scam. Most of Lodha's projects are regular projects where they may be forfeiting tokens and they may be doing a lot of other stuff, but I do not venture so far as to call them scams. But Lodha, codename one and only, is a scam. There are two corporate entities in this deal. I'm going to outline this scam to you in a very brief way just now, and later on I will give you a longer description of the scam. In fact, I'm going to make 2 or 3 videos at least about just Lodha one and only. Here's what you need to know about Lodha one and only. You are getting into a deal with not one but 2 corporate entities. First of all, you're going to buy the land from Macrotech Limited, which is registered on RERA, and you are going to enter into a construction agreement. They will make you enter into a construction agreement to build the villa separately, and that construction agreement will be with another company, also a Lodha Group company, called Cowtown Infotech Private Limited. Cowtown. Okay? Cowtown Infotech Private Limited is supposed to build. The application form that you will sign will not tell you with any kind of clarity about what you are getting into. It is very confusing. The sales literature, the brochures, everything will interchangeably use the word plot and unit and villa. They will use these words to confuse you. You don't know whether you are buying a villa from them or whether you are buying a plot from them and then constructing a villa. But in the application form there are clauses which tell you that if you fail to build a villa within the time limit that is imposed on you by Lodha, then they may cancel your agreement and take away your money. So they are selling you land. They want you to develop it in 5 to 7 years into a villa. Not any which way you like, not in a way that your architect may suggest. You will have to do it exactly as per Lodha's specifications, with Lodha's permissions. Mind you, you will have to go for permissions, building permissions to Lodha, to Macrotech Limited, which will then tell you that if somebody else has done something, it is not proper. And if you fail, they will take away your land and they will take away your money. This is in the terms and conditions. Okay? No land sale can be done under such conditions. This kind of conditions are absurd, are unconstitutional, are unethical. It is just plain cheating. This is one aspect of it. Then there is another aspect of this. I know a case where a person who wanted to buy, and this man is a foreigner, I am going to give you a case study. Before they have sold him the land, before he has entered into agreement to sell, they tried to make him pay crores of rupees to Cowtown, with whom he is supposed to enter into a separate agreement for construction. So this deal consists of 2 agreements. Please remember, there is an agreement to sell, which you will enter with Macrotech Limited. There is another agreement which is an agreement to construct, a construction agreement, for which you will enter with Cowtown. Now in the agreement to sell, there will be highly prejudicial clauses. There are clauses which will force you to commit to to construct as per Lodha's instructions and according to Lodha's timelines and according to Lodha's designs. Okay, so this is like it's a transaction which is so full of risks. It is so extremely full of risks. It is like standing on a bomb. Okay, it is something in which you can make enormous amount of loss and get drawn into all kind of lawsuits. You will not be able to make sense of what has happened to you. Lodha one and only, codename one and only, on Mumbai-Nashik highway is being sold as a plot purchase and or as a villa purchase project. Okay, it is like buy your own land, build your own villa kind of a thing. It sounds very attractive because people like the sound of villas. It is being blatantly missold. It is being sold wrong. It is being sold to you without complete understanding. In fact, it is being sold. You are being misled into buying it. I dare say that there are contradictions between the first agreement and the second agreement and the application form and the brochures. There are blatant contradictions. The whole thing is a scam. And now Lodha and Cowtown, if you want to sue me for defamation, send me your fucking notice now. Send it. Bring it on.